Hello everyone, I am going to do some seed planting. I talked to my neighbor and he would like some tomatoes and I would like to plant some tomatoes this year. So I got this tomato packet thing from Bucktown Seed. So I want to get all these, as many of these tomatoes planted as I can. The ones I have are tomato hillbilly, tomato Bonnie Best, pink brandywine, San Marzanos, which I've already planted some of these, but I want to plant some more. Chadwick cherry, which I've planted some of these too, but I want to plant some more. So I'm just going to start on these, and I just wanted to show you. I do like these little pots to use. I also have one of these kind. I love these. And then I also have cups I can use if I run out. But I like these because I can write right on them what I'm planting. So I'm going to write on them first before I put the soil in them. So we'll start off with the pink brandywine. So we'll write that down first. And I just write it on here. And I don't have the best handwriting on these, but we'll try. I was outside feeding rabbits and I'm hot. It's really warm out today. It's like almost 60 already. And I just wrote tomato pink brandywine. That's probably more than I need, but I could probably just put a T when we will do that. Get all of these done. I don't know how many of these. We'll do 3 of these. I bought a lot of starts last year. I paid at least $3 to $4 a start, which isn't horrible, but when you add it up, that's a lot you're paying for, and you don't get all the seed types that you want. That's why I like to plant my own. Okay, so here's the 3, the pink brandywines. So first thing I'm going to do is fill up my soil fill these up with soil. Have them down here on my floor here. Let's see. And I just fill them up with the soil here, as you can see. I'll just fill these 3 up. It's hard to reach. I probably should put it up, or I can reach it actually. And as I said in my last video, this is the kind I prefer, the Happy Frog potting soil. It's really good. I've already had some tomatoes coming up, and you know what? I've planted many tomatoes in seed starting soil, and nothing comes up. So I'm not going to use that anymore. We're going to use this. I just think it works better. There we go. There we go. All nice and full. So then I'm going to take my seeds and let's see here. See what they look like. Oh, they're little. I'll probably put a couple in each one. See how tiny they are? I'm probably just going to do a couple in each one just to make sure I get them to germinate. And these are so tiny, you just have to cover them with a little bit of dirt. They don't have to be made very deep or anything. So we'll do 2 in each one. There we go. And these are done. See how easy it is? Then I just put them under a little bit of light. And I did get a heating mat this year, so I'm going to try that and see if that helps, because I have not had the best luck with tomatoes. So we're trying everything I can to do better with my tomatoes, because I like to can tomato products. So like pizza sauce and pasta sauce and all those things. I'd like to expand that and do more things. So in order for me to be able to do more things, I need a lot of tomatoes. And I will buy from vendors. I have a friend that he buys rabbit poop from me, fertilizer, for his garden, and he has a farm stand or a vegetable stand, and he sells tomatoes. Well, then he sells his canning tomatoes, a big box of canning tomatoes, for a lot cheaper, and I always buy from him every year. And if we can barter, that's even better, but not always, and you know, that's okay. It's just a timing thing. But I always get some from him because you can never grow enough of your own. But I like to have some fresh ones from my garden too, because they're really nice to have for slicing. And I love BLTs. I bought a hog from my friend who has a farm, Green Gates Farm. She's down by Springfield, Missouri. If anybody is interested in getting hogs or anything, she has really nice ones. So shout out to her. I met all these people through showing rabbits and having a rabbitry. So if you find your niche and you find a way to do things socially, it's really good for your soul. And that's what I do to make myself happy. And this seed starting is really fun for me, and I really enjoy it. And I'm excited to share with my neighbor. I've got broccoli, cabbage, Swiss chard, kale. I need to start planting some lettuces, and we'll probably get going on that here pretty soon. But anything that I can share with him, I'm happy to, because it just helps with relationships. And really, in the big scheme of things, isn't that more important than anything else, is relationships with people. So I just wanted to share that little important information with you, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll have more videos coming out. I'm going to go ahead and plant this whole thing full of tomato seeds and maybe a little bit of lettuce, but I'm sure you don't want to sit here and watch me do it. But I will keep you posted on how things are going, and thanks again for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. It helps my channel grow. Thank you.